Hello, I have a haul for you. I'm going to show you this mirror first because it's kind of hard to, it's the ghost mirror. It's, oh, there you go. You kind of see it. It's the ghost mirror from Walmart. It's the Martha Stewart one that's a dupe of the Pottery Barn one. So I found that. I'll be right back. Hello. Hi, guys. It's the same day. If you know, you know. This is the rest of my haul. I have Victor here. It's his birthday today. Happy birthday, Victor. He's 2 years old. He's still a baby. Mr. RETROS is here.
Hey.
And this is a mixed haul of all kinds of stuff here that I haven't had enough for like a really big haul, but it is what it is. So I'll just start out. This is an eBay for the jukebox. Dead or Alive, Spin Me Round. Spin Me Round, you know, that one. They've been doing that song for like 30 years.
Forever.
Yeah, so I don't know anything else they do. So we're gonna test that out. And let's see, this I got at TJ Maxx. I got a set of 3. I actually found these. They were up by the check stand. I have yet to find the teapot or the jar thing of the ghost, but I found the towels. So these are very nice. These are show towels. Nobody's allowed to use them. They just hang on the oven.
Right.
Yep. Shoe towels. Yeah, let's see. This is chipped already. Look at that. I painted these Dollar Tree things to match the Joanna Parker. Look at that. It's chipped already. This is the set for Baby Retros. I did a set for me as well. So they look a little better. I took that cheesy ruffle thing off them. So they look better. Right, Victor? Yeah. Yeah. He inspects everything for me. Yeah. They meet his approval. Got those done. And what else? Oh, I got a haul from House of Joni. Sent me a bunch of cool stuff. I don't know if you can see this. Maybe you can. Mr. House of Joni made this for me. It says Northwest Passage, and it's got a jumping fish on it, and it's for when I do my infused spirits. I can put it in here. It's really nice, but it's kind of hard to see with nothing in it. There we go. And then she got me this because she knows I'm jealous. We don't have no Buc-ee's out here. Look how handsome he is. He's just a little insulated cuppy cup.
No.
I have the hats. I have to order everything. And what else did she send? Oh, she sent me these awesome, she knows how I feel about cocktail napkins. These ones are very nice. These will go, I think I'm going to put these out in the studio. If you can't be someone's reason to smile, be their reason to drink. Right? Great. Okay. And she gave me this. I don't know what this is.
Bath bomb.
Oh. Oh. Okay. It's a bath bomb. I don't do baths. But that's okay. I'm allergic to all this stuff. I will pass this
Throw it
on.
in the shower.
Yeah, right. That'd be awesome. I'll see if Baby Retros can use it. We're shower folk.
Yeah.
But it's very nice. And then I got this really cool Moscow Mule notepad. Very nice. Can always use notepads. Cool. And the Piece de Resistance is this. She has a store that's near her. She lives in some Tonia area down there in Georgia. And they have a store that's kind of like Granlund Road or West Elm. Let's see. And they had a sale. She got this for me. It got kind of I have to straighten it out, but it matches. It's this boiled felt, and it's a wreath, and it matches my Merry Christmas banner that I put up. What's this? It doesn't say much on it. It matches my Merry Christmas banner that I put up in the bar. So this will be Beautimus. It's really pretty. I just have to get it. I can probably steam it and flatten it out. You put it against the thing. The fireplace. Is that it? Okay, that's it. And I went to, where did I get this? I don't know where I got this. I think I got this at Home Goods. I've been wanting this, yes. They don't have any more of these. My Home Goods has all their stuff out, but nothing really outstanding. But I did grab this. I like him. It was $12.99. Yeah, I went there today. They didn't have it. And have any more of those. And then I got this because this is a dupe of the Pottery Barn one. And he's nice and small. I like him a lot. He's very cute. And he's sort of a nice linen material. It's pretty good for Home Goods. Like that. And today I went there and I got this for Mr. RETROS. Likes this on his ice creams. Torani.
I don't like the chocolate.
Yeah, he don't like chocolate.
I like chocolate, but not that chocolate. I think it has a funny taste.
Ew. That's not good.
No.
And then I was able to score these today. These are the JP, Joanna Parker, Darling Thanksgiving Turkey Salt and Pepper Shakers. Yes. These were $9.99. I like these. I was shocked they had anything like that for me. And then they had the cups too. So, I just like the turkey. They had it looked like a raccoon and an owl and
Fox.
maybe it was a fox. I don't know. And scarecrow guys. But I kind of just like the turkey. He's nice. That's really a good. This is the best one. Just like Victor. Victor's the best one. $12.99 on that baby. They had some Halloween ones, but all the ones I have. So that was pretty good for them. And then I got this labubu, the Halloween one. I got this off AliExpress because I watch this guy. It's this guy's channel called Oh Lordy, It's More Jordy, and he's in Pennsylvania, and he's got the labubu bug too. So he showed this one. This is not a real one. This is not. I buy the lafufus, the fake ones, because I'm not going to spend $100 on this thing. Because see, you can tell it's fake because it doesn't have that code. What is it? Q code? What are that? What's that code called? You read it with your phone.
No.
The real ones have a
Whatever
code
you
on
call
there.
it.
I don't care. I think he's really cute. So this was $9. And then I looked, and they pulled them off the site of AliExpress, and they only have the real PopSmart one that's $110. So I don't know what happened. Somebody got after him. I don't know. But I got mine. So I think he's really cute. Look at the pumpkin. You're supposed to hang him.
Where do you hang them?
I don't
in
know.
your car or something?
Hang him. But, like Jordy says, he's afraid to hang it in his car, somebody break in and steal it. Some renegade labubu criminal.
People in the know.
In the know. Oh my God, that's a labubu. I'm taking that. So he's really, really cute. I got the box and all. Then this up here. Let me see. There you go. I have this little tree in this jack-o'-lantern. It's a terracotta jack-o'-lantern that I put on here as a centerpiece. And the top is, this is one of those Dollar Tree. Let me see. Shoot, sorry. I can't see what I'm doing here. There it is. That's a Dollar Tree witch hat. That's, oh boy. Okay. So I took one of their tinsel trees. I haven't seen this type before. See, and it's tinsel, orange, and black. Real tinsely shiny. So I sprayed mine with white spray paint. So it's not quite so garish. Just a light light coating. And then I bought 3 packs of the Dollar Tree ornaments and stuck them on there. And then there's a light. I have some pictures I'll put on the end of how I did it. There's a string of lights that fade in and out on a timer. They did go off, so because they were still on when I went to bed last night. They obviously went off at some point. And I got a couple other things. I'll be right back. Okay, you can see it better here. I turned my goofy camera around. This is what it's like. And then I finished my Franken Furby, long Furby. See, he's real long. He's got 3 sets of hands, so he can really grab stuff. There he is. So I think, and then this one over here is one I made for Halloween. I like it, but I like the Franken Furby better. I really like him. And I'll be right back, and I'll show you my back porch. We've been working on the back patio because there was a lot of brush here. There was 2 huge bushes here and here. They were sick bushes. The leaves kept dropping, and it's been doing it for years. The dogs run under there and left a trail of leaves through my whole house. So they're gone now. That's how I felt about them. So I power washed everything. There's the studio. But we put up these really cool sunshades because without those bushes here, the sun kind of blasted in a little bit. So we put these up. You buy the shade, and then you buy these hook kits. Ooh, I'm having a hard time seeing. These hook kits. There they are, and I think they're 10 by 13. And they make a nice shade. And so that's pretty good. See, we got this all cleared out and power washed. Look, there's a scavenger there. So that's what I've got for today. I will see you later. Bye-bye. Bow, now, 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 now. Ba-da-da.